See this? 25,000 kilometers on this bike. Feels like a big achievement, guys.
Move.
I'm like 25% or 1/4 of my target, which is 1 lakh kilometers on this bike. I don't know if I'll get to do that, but this is the highest I've ever done on a bike, because that's just my third bike ever. So thank you guys, thank you for being part of this ride since I own this bike. Look forward to more miles on this lovely beast. Love for this machine continues. And we just had our breakfast a while back at Way Adigas, and now we are on our way to Kuntala. Time to catch up with these guys. See you in a short while. We just stopped for a petrol break, and for a change, my bike is not the one that needs fuel. It's the Bentley. Usually I would be the one filling up more frequently, but this time it's not me. Look at that lake. Beautiful location. And they're drying corn here. That's a huge lake with such a nice scenic view. Just look at this beautiful village, guys. It's in such a scenic location. Wow. Straight roads. It's been almost 4 hours since we started, and we are like another 50 minutes away from the falls as per the plan. But it's hot as F. What are we having Sunday? Red Bulls. Brand ambassador laga.
Red Bull le.
Ila water dele.
Red Bull le.
How is your new helmet?
Very tight for now. I removed the balaclava.
Looks good though.
Yeah, it's very silent.
How is the ride, Sandy?
Super.
Enjoying the Bentley?
Na Denali ga na pichidi na.
And you?
Fantastic.
Face expression. So the plan is to go to the waterfalls, stay there for an hour or so. These guys are gonna get wet.
Swimming.
They're gonna try swimming, although me and Shriman would probably taking photos and sitting. One of the most pleasant weekend rides I have done. We are like 54 kilometers from Adilabad, and if you want to experience Telangana to its best, the scenic side of Telangana, the uninhabited, pure form of Telangana, this is where you have to be. Sorry for the guys missing it, but hope you're enjoying through the vlog. The next stop would be Kuntala Waterfalls. On our way to Kuntala, there is a small diversion that you guys need to take. It's 10 kilometers from the highway. Nicely laid out road, but you have to be careful since there are small villages on your way. Nare, Chanti and Sriman got lost, so they had to come back a bit. Traffic jam. కోతులు వస్తాయి జాగ్రత్త. So we're finally taking the steps to the waterfalls. These are almost 400 steps, guys. And I'm fucking tired already. It's humid, hot, and with all our riding gear, it's quite a trek. But we gotta do it. I think we have come down at least 50 steps. Feels like 500 to me. What about you, Sriman?
I'm better than before. I used to be very big.
Oh man, it's just that because of the riding gear, it feels much more tiring, and it's humid and hot. Yeah, there is a view again from the top. These are one step down. You will have one more step at the top.
This is the second step.
Yes. Just look at how beautiful this place is. Last time, the max I could go was to the edge of those waterfalls. Scenic place, right? But it's time, I think we need to sit down somewhere and relax for a bit. And Shiva is, we're getting ready for a jump. Well, me and Chanti are chilling.
Capturing pics. Shiva, నువ్వు ఇట్లా చేస్తాడు.
Are you gonna jump? Tuck in. When are you going to go for a swim?
Who, me? I'm not gonna swim.
He is apparently waiting for his six-pack to go for a swim. So, but a lovely, lovely scenic view, guys. This is the farthest we can come down. There's no way we can go down there to the waterfalls because they're blocking people from going there. There's usually more water here, but we have come in October. So the monsoon, when you come around monsoon, July, August, September, you'll find more water here than now.
లోపల పొట్ట
లోపలికి బయట కంటే వాటర్ ఫాల్ గడ్డం వచ్చేది.
అది కొండలా అది ఇలా ఉంటుంది ఇలా ఉంటుంది.
స్నానం చేస్తుంటే అయితే వాటర్ ఫాల్స్
ఆ వాటర్ ఫాల్స్ వేర్లే. We just relaxing here while Shiva is
మిస్సింగ్ ద స్విమ్.
వర్షంలో రిలాక్స్ అవుతుంది.
parle relax అవ్వచ్చు. Oh man, it's gonna be quite a trek up there now to get back. Jump. ఇప్పుడు నేను జంప్ చేయాలి.
జాగ్రత్త, రాయి జరుగుతుంది.
పంచా. It's finally time to leave. We've been here for almost 2 hours and now we are hungry, guys. And this is going to be one hell of a trek upstairs. Almost 400 or 500 steps. And none of us had lunch so far. So it's going to be freaking tiring. But we got to do it. It's a fun trip so far.
మంచిగా వాటర్ ఫాల్ కింద జస్ట్ ఒక్కసారి వాటర్ ఫాల్ కిందకి వెళ్ళి వచ్చేస్తాం.
It's not allowing us to go near the waterfalls. Some of the time.
ఎందుకు ఆపేశారు ఇప్పుడు? ఎందుకు ఆపేశారు?
అంటే స్టెప్స్ చూసినా ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తుంది?
మస్తు కనిపిస్తున్నాయి.
తిరుపతి స్టెప్
ఫుల్ కార్డియో.
Okay, it seems since the last
6 packs.
30 years, 210 people died.
ఇలా అయిపోవాలి.
That's the reason they're not allowing us. They made it really strict. Otherwise, Shiva and Naresh, they wanted to go there.
The Shiva and Naresh, they wanted to go for a swim since a long time. Since we're here. The dreaded steps have finally come. My cardio for today is done. I was supposed to run for 7 kilometers. I guess this is enough for today. Shiva, the lead. Shiva, the lead. The most fit guy in the group. And this is the other level I was talking about. It goes down all the way. Down another level. And the great Sriman Bhai just forgot his Shubhat, the new Shubhat helmet.
Bro. That's what I keep saying, right?
Shubhat, you should give such helmets to responsible people, not such forgetful.
Responsible riders.
Yeah,
Responsible riders.
and he forgot that helmet.
I'm forgetful. Riding my body.
It is like freaking humid.
Hey, done.
Literally
That's
no air. And we're all having the riding gear. Like usually this is meant for like riding so that you get some air at least into the body,
You
but
should run.
like pin drop silence guys. Time to switch from sunglasses to HD vision. It is a decent Sunday ride. The ride was good. The waterfalls are okay. Time to head back home.